everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of our best-selling lights, the Skylight. This is necessary for every home. We are having a big promotion for on this amazing skylights for all my new followers. This lamp measures 126 x 74 x 28 centimeters. You can install it in locations such as reading room, bedroom, living room, nurseries, and basements, and more. So if your home doesn't have windows, these lights will make it feel like you will open a skylight, bringing the beautiful blue sky into your home. So don't miss out on this practical and amazing skylight. We offer a variety of models and sizes for you to choose to meet the needs of different settings. If you are looking for a unique lighting solution for your space, please feel free to contact us. We will help you choose the perfect product.